So welcome everyone on this amazing channel named Geeks for Geek School, and today we are going to again develop a very good and beautiful thing on this Tinkercad platform. But before diving into the platform, I would like to tell all the new ones, the students who are new on our platform, about this amazing course that we have come up with. So it's a course based on mobile application development. So here you will be provided with some online coding classes in which you will be taught about how you can develop full-fledged mobile applications. So it's based on App Lab. It's a quite popular platform, right? You must have heard about this platform many times. So if you want to know how you can work on this platform, and if you want to learn how you can create mobile applications, how you can create user interface, how you can make the user interface more interactive, how you can create multi-screen applications on this platform, then this course is for you. So that's the web page which we have designed, right? And on this web page you can find everything related to this course. So whatever information you want to find out related to this course, you have to come on this page and you can just scroll down and go through the information, right? If you are not able to see the link of this page, so you can check the description section. In that I have mentioned the link also, and there you will find a promo code which you can use for availing a very good discount on the total course fee, right? So that's the things which we will discuss in the online coding class, which we will provide you in this course based on App Lab. Now when you will come down here, you will find a button, right? And if you'll click on this button, so it will redirect you to a new tab. It will open for you a new tab with which we have linked a PDF file. So in this PDF you will get all the topics that will be covered in the online coding classes, right? In total there are approximately 18 to 19 topics that we will be covering. Just a second, let me refresh this one more time. So in total there will be 18 to 19 topics that we will cover, and you can find the names of all the topics in this PDF file. Alright, besides these 18 topics there will be lot many things, and you will get to interact with people, students from different states, from different countries. This course has become so much popular today. Why? Let me give you the reason. Let me tell you the reason. The reason is this: it is very much affordable, anyone can afford it, right? So if you want, you can just book your seat and start taking the coding classes which we are providing in this course to you guys. Right now, suppose if you have interest in something else, for example you want to learn something about artificial intelligence, machine learning, or some big things like data science, or what we call it, website development. If you want to learn these kind of things, then Geeks for Geeks has the best of best tutors which are ready to share their amazing experience with you guys about all these things that you want to learn. Right, you can check our courses on the main website, right? Now you can check the main website of Geeks for Geeks. There you will find the details of all the courses. You'll find everything which we are right now providing to the kids. And let me tell you, we are into everything right now. We are into website development, we are into mobile application development, we are into Android development. If you want to learn iOS development also, we can teach that to you. Right, so don't waste your time. Pick up your phone, give us a call, get in touch with one of our executives to get your queries sorted out, and book your seat for the courses. Right, once you will link yourself with us, I believe me, you will not regret. You are going to learn many things from the course that you will take. Right, so now let's move to the topic. So what we are here for? We are here for learning about the microbit circuit, which we can find on Tinkercad. Now with the help of that circuit, we will today learn how can we make a DC motor function, right? Direct current motor. DC is for direct current. So for first of all, I would like to tell you how you can access the platform. So the students who are new to this Tinkercad, so they can just write tinkercad.com in the URL part of the browser, and when you will hit the enter button, it will redirect you to the main website of Tinkercad. Now the way you can you create your account on uh, Instagram or Facebook or any social media platform in the same way, with the help of your Gmail account, Microsoft account, or any ID, you can create your own account on this platform also. Once you are done with creating your account, when you will sign in using the same credentials which you will use for creating your account, you are going to get redirected on this amazing dashboard where you will find these options. So you can design 3D environments, right? You can design 3D models, you can create virtual circuits, and you can code them also, and also you can learn block based coding on this platform. For now we are here for creating a virtual circuit, so that's the reason I am going to go with this option. And as soon as you will click on this, you will see in the right side of the window this create new circuit button. Click on this and what it will do, it will open for you a virtual environment on which you can create a virtual circuit, right? So if you want to learn about the basics of this interface which is visible to you right now on your screen, so you can check out the very first tutorial in which I've explained very clearly how you can create your account and what are the different things you need to know if you want to work on this platform. So these options, these tools which you're seeing right on the top over here in this menu bar, I have told about each and everything in that tutorial. These options which are visible to you over here right on the top in the right side of this window, about these options also I have taught in the very first lecture to my students. So if you want to gain the basic knowledge first about this platform, you can check out the first tutorial, then you can come on these tutorials in which I am telling you guys about the advanced things, right? So the things will be more interesting for you and you will be able to grab the things more easily, right? If you will not understand the basics, if you will try to grasp the advanced things, if you will try to understand the advanced things directly, what will happen, things will become little bit tough for you, right? It may be possible that you may not be able to understand these advanced things which I am currently teaching to you guys, and you will leave the channel or you will leave the lecture in between. So instead of leaving the things, try to catch them. And how you can catch them, it's a very simple platform, nothing is complicated. We just have to create the circuit, and there are some blocks with the help of which we can define the coding and make the circuit functional. Now if if you will leave this in between, what will happen, you will not be able to understand this amazing platform, you will not be able to use this intelligent platform. So it's better if you will go on the very first tutorial, check out the basic things which I've discussed over there, and then you can come on this tutorial where I am teaching you guys the advanced things, right? But in case you want to be there in this tutorial, no problem. If you find something complicated, I would again like to tell you, please check the basic things, please check the tutorial in which I've explained the basic things, and after that you can come on these tutorials, right? Thank you very much. Now we are going to first change it to all, and from here we are going to select a microbit circuit. So that's the one I'm looking for. I am dragging it and putting it over here. So the students who are new on this platform, let me tell you, it's just a play of drag and drop. You can drag any circuit from here and you can put it over here on this environment. Right now there are two buttons, A and B, and as soon as you will start the simulation, automatically you will see one more button named A plus B over here like this. So that's that's a bit of basic information about this microbit circuit. Now let's fetch the DC motor. we can simply type DC motor like this, and that's the one I was looking for. I'm putting it over here, right? And let me just rotate it like this. Okay, so that's the tool with the help of which I can rotate it. It's looking amazing. And that's the, so it has two terminals. This is terminal 1 and this one is terminal 2. Now we need one more thing. Let me see if I can find it over here. I'm not able to recall the name of that component, really sorry. uh, it's not a sensor. Just give me a short moment. I am searching for a component which can help me in, I'm searching for a transistor actually. An NPN transistor would work, I think. I want to connect this DC motor with this microbit, and for that we need an NPN transistor basically. Okay, so that's the one I was looking for. If I'll change it to the list view, so I'll be able to see the description also of this NPN transistor. It's a component used to amplify or switch electronic signals. Right, commonly used with motors. So it is used for amplifying or switching the electronic signals, and we can use it with motors. So it's a DC motor which we are going to work on today, right? And I'm going to now use it. We just have to put it over here like this. Okay, now with the help of these three components, we are going to now create a complete circuit. So let's start defining the connection part. So the first thing I would like to do is, let's choose the green color from here. Okay, it's already selected by default. So we need to connect this one. Let me just rotate this microbit. Okay, fine. Now what we can do, we can connect this ground pin, right? We can connect this ground pin with this terminal 1. So because we are connecting the ground pin, I would like to make use of this black color wire for doing the same. Generally I do it. Okay, so I'm done with connecting the ground pin of this microbit to this terminal 1, right? Similarly, we can connect the 3-volt pin of this microbit to this collector. So it has 3 terminals. The first one is collector, the middle one is base, and the third one is emitter. So it is CBE. It goes like CBE: collector, base, emitter, right? So that's the one which is going to collect, that's the one which is going to emit, and it is the base. So we have to connect this collector with this 3-volt pin. So for doing that, I'm going to make use of this red pin, the red color wire, sorry, and simply you can connect it with this. Okay, I hope the connections are properly visible to every one of you. You can do it simultaneously with me if you want. And now I'm going to change the color to green again, and let's make use of this P0 pin. So because it is P0, we need to connect it with the base pin. Absolutely right. Okay, and now the only thing which is left is terminal 2 and this emitter. So now, because we want to create a complete circuit, so we need to connect this pin with this terminal 2. So that's how we can create a complete circuit with the help of these 3 components, right? So it's a very simple circuit. You all will be able to design it very easily. Let me now check the comment section if I have anything to answer. Definitely I would like to answer that query first before moving to the next step. Create. Okay, so DVS, may I know your name, dear? Hello, welcome to this channel of ours. Thank you very much, first of all, for joining me in this at this time in this tutorial. Do not forget to like and share this video, please, so that we can become popular, and we can reach to the students out there who want to learn coding free of cost. Right, thank you very much for all the efforts, all the uh, interest you have shown. Okay, so in case you have any queries, you can put your queries in the comment section so that I can check the queries and answer the same. If you guys have any queries related to any of the courses, right, so you can ask me that also. You can put your queries in the chat box. Definitely one of our teammates is going to answer your queries, right? If not now, we'll contact you afterwards and give the answer to each and every query of yours. Thank you very much for thank you very much in advance for that. Okay, so now let's move to the second part, which is the coding part. So we have to now code this circuit in order to make it function. If I'll run this simulation, so nothing is going to happen. Even if I'll press these buttons, nothing is happening. Why? Because I haven't defined the code yet. So let's come on this coding section, and I don't want these two blocks over here, so I'm eliminating them. The first thing I would like to do is I would like to have a forever block over here. Now to which pin I have connected this base of this NPN transistor to. So I've connected it to this P0 pin, right? So that's where from this we are going to get the output. Remember this thing, from base we will get the output. So we have to read the digital, we have to write on the digital pin P0. So how can we do that? We can simply come on this output, and here you'll find this digital write pin block. You have to put it over here, and don't change the state, it should be high only. Now I would like to define a wait of, let's say, how about 3 seconds or 2 seconds, I think is more than enough. And let's now duplicate this code and put it over here. After 2 seconds I would like the state to change to low, right? And after, so this will happen continuously forever. So initially the state is going to be high. After 2 seconds the state will change to low. Which component state will get changed? The DC motor's state will change, right? So it will be high initially, after 2 seconds it will change to low, then after 2 seconds it will come on this code again and it will get executed. So when it will get executed, the state will again change to high, and this process will go on forever till the time this simulation is on. As soon as you'll stop it, the DC motor will stop. Why? Because this platform will stop executing this code which we have defined over here in this coding workspace. Okay, so let's now start the simulation and check whether we'll be able to get the required output or not. Here I go. Okay, so we are able to see it moving. It stopped. Okay, again it is moving. It stopped, again we can see it moving. It stopped, again we can see it moving, right? So that's the kind of output you will get with this code we have defined over here, right? Now if I'll change this code a little bit, if I'll remove this thing from here and if I'll start the simulation, let's see what is going to happen. So it will move continuously, it will never stop, right? It will never stop. So that's the magic of this NPN transistor, right? That's how you can connect all these three components together for making this DC motor work. If you have these components with you, just if you have that zeal to do something in this electronics field, just go ahead and purchase these components, with the help of which you can create the circuits. Right, it's very easy to export the code from here. How can you export the code? Let me tell you that. So there is a button over here. You can click on this and you can download the whole code which you have defined over here. Right, I need to eliminate this from here. I think that's the reason we are getting this error. Yeah, if I'll now hit this, what's happening? Just give me a short moment. Let me start the simulation process. We are able to see it moving. Okay, fine. Can we download the code? A compilation error occurred. and the .hex file could not be built. Try simulation the circuit for more information. Okay, right now it's not possible. Let me see if I do this. So now if I'll start the simulation process, the motor will first start and then it will stop, and after that again it will start and it will stop. So that's the output we are going to get. Now stopping the simulation, let me just see if I can download this code. Okay, I'm not able to download it, no problem. There is one more platform named Arduino. So there you can just write down this code, right? You can write this code over there, or else you can simply change it to this text. So that's the text based version of the block based coding which we have just defined on that coding workspace. So you can just copy it from here simply and you can put it on that Arduino platform, and from there you can feed it directly to the physical model that you will create, physical circuit you are going to create from the components that you will purchase from the market or somewhere from the online. Alright, so if you have the zeal, if you want to do something in this electronics field, then I would recommend you to just go ahead and purchase these components so that you can learn the things practically. Right, it's an amazing platform with the help of on which you can create different kind of circuits. Or else what you can do, you can first uh, learn to create advanced circuits, right? And after that, once you'll become confident, you can then go ahead and purchase the components, electrical components, with which you can create circuits and to which you can feed the codes you're going to define over here, you're going to make over here on this platform or on Arduino, right? I think that is going to be a good option, right? Okay, let me just check the comment section again before ending this tutorial so that I can give the answers to your queries if there are any. I hope you liked this lecture very much, and thank you very much all of you who are there with me in this tutorial. In case you're not there, please do check it afterwards. It is an amazing tutorial with the help in which we have learned how we can make a DC motor function, how we can connect it to the microbit, right, and how we can use this NPN transistor for making this DC motor function. Okay, so I'm not able to see any queries in the comment section right now. I hope everything you have understood. Even if while designing this circuit, if you come across any issue, you can contact me directly. You can put your queries in the comment section and let me know. I'll sort out your queries whenever I'll get the time to do so. Now suppose if you want to, I would like to tell you one more thing here. If suppose you want to add some notes to your circuit you have prepared, what you can do, you can make use of this notes tool. Simply you can drag it and drop it wherever you want to. Suppose you want to drop it over here, right? So you can bring it like this, and here you can write down microbit, right? And similarly you can create a duplicate of this. How you'll create a duplicate? You just have to press Ctrl C for copying the node, and then you have to press Ctrl V for creating a duplicate of that node you have copied. So here I'm writing DC motor, first DC motors terminal 1 is connected with ground pin of microbit and terminal, and the other is connected to the emitter pin of NPN transistor. Right, so that's how you can create your notes for your own reference. Right, if you think that it's not looking good, you can hide them. You can simply click on this button and all the notes which you have defined will go disappear. If you want to see them again, you can again click on this button and the notes will be visible to you. Now if suppose at this point of time you'll start the simulation process for checking out the output. So what is going to happen, as soon as the circuit will open up, you'll switch on the circuit, the notes will not go away, they will be visible to you at that time also. However, you can click on this button and the notes will go away, and also this simulation will stop. Right, you will have to then start it again. Fine. So that's how you can make use of these notes. So that's it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. And before ending this lecture, I would again like to tell you that this course is extremely important if you don't know how you can develop mobile applications, because in the future mobile application is currently in a very high demand in the market and it is the future of technology. So if you really want to create something new in the field of technology, then this course is for you. Try to check out the tutorials which we have shooted based on App Lab on our channel. Right, whenever you get the time, just check them out. Whatever you have been taught over there, you will get many bigger things as in comparison to what we have put on our channel in the online coding classes that we will provide you in this course. Right, and it is going to be for you an amazing experience. You are going to gain a lot of things and we'll provide you certificates also. Right, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to contact our executive if you have any queries. How you will register for your for this course? You can simply come on this web page, log into this web page, register yourself for this course, and we will then start providing you the online coding classes. Right, that's the only thing you have to do. Even if now you have any queries, don't feel shy and just pick up your phone, dial the number and contact our executive. Definitely you will not regret, I am promising you that. So that's it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. Thank you very much all of you for being there with me in this tutorial, and also thank you very much to all the students who are liking and sharing our tutorials on daily basis. Right, thank you and have a great day. Keep safe and safe, stay healthy, and always keep smiling. Thank you very much and have a great day.